Hi everyone, my name is Himani. I'm a travel content creator and a micro entrepreneur. And today I'll be making a professional certificate for appreciation. Whether it's for a workshop or a course or event, Adobe Express has you covered. It's easy to use design tool, perfect for small business owners, coaches, teachers, or anyone who wants great designs fast. So now let's create the certificate step by step. So go to adobe.com. Log in or create a free account. Now let's go in the search bar and type certificate and browse the ready-made templates. Now click on the design you like and start editing. I like this one. Now replace the text with your details, recipient's name, event name, date and signature. Now add your logo by uploading it or pick icons from the built-in library. Change fonts, colors or background to match your brand. Everything is customizable. We'll keep the design clean because less is more for certificates. When you're done, hit download, choose PDF for print or PNG for digital sharing. You can also email it or post it on your social media right from Adobe Express. Who can use this? This is perfect for coaches, teachers, HR teams, event organizers, anyone who needs certificates done quickly and professionally. So try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.